Rescue operations are underway on the remote Tibetan slopes of Mount Everest after a powerful snowstorm trapped nearly 1,000 people in mountain camps. According to Chinese state media, hundreds of rescuers and local villagers have been deployed to clear the heavy snow blocking access to the area, located more than 4,900 meters above sea level. Several tourists have already been rescued, but others remain stranded as temperatures continue to drop and blizzard conditions persist. The snowstorm began late Friday and intensified overnight on the eastern side of Everest, a region popular with hikers and climbers. Rescue teams reported that many tents had collapsed under the weight of snow, and some tourists were suffering from hypothermia. The local tourism office in Tingri County has suspended ticket sales and access to the scenic area until conditions improve. Meanwhile, nearby Nepal is also facing severe weather. Torrential rains have triggered landslides and flash floods, destroying bridges and killing at least 47 people in just 2 days. In eastern China, Typhoon Matmo has forced the evacuation of over 150,000 residents. Mount Everest, the world's highest peak at over 8,849 meters, continues to test the limits of human endurance. As rescue operations continue, officials warn that extreme weather and overcrowding remain serious dangers for anyone attempting to climb the world's tallest mountain.